A chat just went viral, but this time it wasn't a celebrity or politician who got exposed. Instead, you got exposed to endless possibilities in the online world, so get ready to enter the realm of ChatGPT. With a simple conversation, this AI-powered tool gives you the power to accomplish so much. But the question remains, will ChatGPT replace human jobs? In this groundbreaking video, we will dig deep into ChatGPT and its purpose and discuss if your job is safe from AI invasion or not. So, let's begin. Since November 20, 2022, ChatGPT has been the latest buzzword in the tech world, and for a good reason. ChatGPT is an AI-powered language model that is changing the game for online communication and information seeking. With its cutting-edge technology and advanced capabilities, ChatGPT is like having a personal assistant ready to answer your questions and complete tasks with a simple conversation. Gone are the days of scrolling through endless pages of information or having to type out complex queries. With ChatGPT, all you have to do is ask. This tool can help you do anything, from finding the answers to a trivia question, to scheduling a meeting, or even composing a poem. The possibilities are truly endless. But what sets ChatGPT apart from other AI systems is its human-like language processing capabilities. It's not just a machine spitting out data. It's a tool that can understand the context of your questions and provide thoughtful, meaningful responses. In fact, ChatGPT is so advanced that it has even been known to fool people into thinking they're speaking with an actual human. Elon Musk remains the key man behind this surprise as well. Do you want to know who developed it along with Elon Musk and what the key purpose of this tool is? Let's find out. ChatGPT, the conversational AI language model, was developed by OpenAI, a cutting-edge research organization dedicated to creating and promoting artificial intelligence that benefits humanity. OpenAI was founded in 2015 by Elon Musk, Sam Altman, Greg Brockman, Ilya Sutskever, and Wojciech Zaremba to safely advance AI. In 2019, OpenAI unveiled ChatGPT, a state-of-the-art language model trained on diverse internet text and designed to generate human-like responses to any given prompt. What sets ChatGPT apart from other language models is its ability to generate contextually appropriate and coherent responses to a wide range of questions, making it suitable for various applications from customer service to content creation. The demand for conversational AI has exploded recently as businesses and organizations seek to automate routine tasks and improve customer experiences. As a result, more and more companies are investing in language models like ChatGPT, recognizing the potential for increased efficiency, cost savings, and improved customer satisfaction. For example, ChatGPT has already been integrated into various industries, from retail and finance to healthcare and education. In retail, it's used to create personalized shopping experiences for customers, while in finance, it's utilized for fraud detection and financial advice. In the healthcare industry, ChatGPT is employed to assist patients in booking appointments and answering general health questions, and in education, it's used to grade essays and provide personalized study recommendations. ChatGPT and other language models like it will play a significant role in shaping the future of AI and automation. As technology continues to evolve and improve, we expect to see more innovation and exciting applications emerge, further revolutionizing our lives and work. But not everything is supposed to happen in the future. Here is how it is helping experts from different walks of life. ChatGPT is helping people save time and effort by automating routine tasks such as booking appointments or answering basic questions. Whether you're a busy professional or a student needing help with a homework assignment, ChatGPT is available 24/7 to assist you with anything from scheduling appointments to finding information online. Another way ChatGPT is helping individuals is by providing personalized experiences. For example, in the retail industry, ChatGPT is being used to create shopping experiences tailored specifically to each customer's preferences and needs. Whether you're looking for a specific product or need help choosing between different options, ChatGPT can assist you in finding exactly what you're looking for. In education, ChatGPT is used to grade essays, provide personalized study recommendations, and even assist with homework. This is helping students get the support they need to succeed, regardless of their background or prior knowledge. It saves teachers time, enabling them to focus on other essential tasks. Fun fact, recently ChatGPT passed a law exam, so you also have an AI who can guide you in legal matters. As an advanced AI model, ChatGPT is revolutionizing how computer programmers approach their work. It allows them to be more productive, efficient, and effective by providing real-time assistance with their coding projects. ChatGPT makes it easy for programmers to debug their code more quickly and effectively by offering insights and possible solutions to issues that may arise. No more endless Google searches or trial and error attempts. ChatGPT can help coders get to the root of the problem and resolve it with ease. Another way ChatGPT is helping coders is by generating code documentation, making it easier for coders to understand and maintain their code. Whether you're working on a solo project or collaborating with a team, ChatGPT can help ensure everyone is on the same page. ChatGPT is a game changer for writers of all kinds, providing an intuitive and accessible tool that helps streamline the writing process and bring out the best in their work. Whether you're a novelist, screenwriter, poet, or content creator, ChatGPT is here to help. With its advanced conversational capabilities, ChatGPT is also helping writers quickly generate ideas, outlines, and even entire scenes. No more staring at a blank page or struggling to find the right words. ChatGPT can help unlock your creative potential and bring your ideas to life. By providing real-time feedback and suggestions on grammar, style, and tone, you don't need to keep second-guessing yourself or wasting time on revisions. ChatGPT can help you write confidently and polish your work to perfection. And if you're looking for inspiration, ChatGPT can help you with that too. Whether you need help with characters, plot lines, or themes, ChatGPT can offer insights and suggestions that will help spark your imagination. Finally, ChatGPT is helping people with disabilities or limited mobility by providing a convenient and accessible way to access information and perform tasks. With its ability to generate human-like responses, ChatGPT makes it easier for individuals with disabilities to navigate the world around them and interact with technology in new and exciting ways. Are you worried about losing your job? Maybe you are just overstressing. Don't go anywhere now, because this is the most important point of the video. ChatGPT and other AI models will not replace humans. Yes, that is the headline. But it comes under some conditions. While they can perform specific tasks more efficiently and effectively, they cannot replicate the unique qualities and abilities that make us human, such as creativity, empathy, and intuition. ChatGPT and other AI models are designed to augment and assist human capabilities, not replace them. They can make our lives easier, more productive, and more fulfilling. Taking on routine tasks and freeing up our time allows us to focus on the more important and meaningful aspects of our work and personal lives. Wondering what the headline is? Well, to stay safe from an AI invading your job, you have to be on top of your game, and you have to make sure that you're not doing something repetitive that any chunk of code could do without troubling a human. By troubling, we mean that while we humans require breaks from work for a variety of reasons, including family, burnout, and so on, aliens do not. So all you have to do is make sure that you're doing something that requires a human to be accomplished. Anything involving creativity, empathy, intuition, responsibility, and vision can never be replaced. Rather, ChatGPT can serve as a tool to optimize your working hours. Always remember that the biggest threat is not ChatGPT. The biggest threat for you is the person who knows how to use ChatGPT and other tools, because he or she can do more while putting in less effort and time. So make sure you are aware of all new working aids and that you master them quickly. For the question of AI invading jobs, we believe there is no better person or source to ask than the AI itself. But before that, if you like this video, click the thumbs up button. Also smash that subscribe button to receive all the blues from the world of tech. Coming back to the topic, we shared our worry of getting replaced by an AI with ChatGPT. Here is how it responded. So you can see that it gave the exact same answer just like we discussed. ChatGPT is a valuable tool for those who understand its usage. is not by any means a threat as of now, but it might become one considering the level of intelligence it boasts. Has ChatGPT aided you in your workflow? Let us know in the comment section below. The world of tech is highly dynamic, so if you want to learn more about what's happening in the tech world, click on the video thumbnails popping on your screen. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.